Concatenation methods. There are 4 concatenation methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are concat, append, prepend, and zip. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what does concatenation mean. Concatenation is the process of joining 2 or more sequences together to create a single sequence. This can be useful when you need to merge or append data from multiple sources. So, the result will be a new sequence that contains the data from the different sequences. For example, the method concat can be used as following. We have the following 2 sequences. Using concat method I will get the following sequence. It contains the data from both sequences in a single sequence. So, concat method is to combine 2 sequences together. Append and prepend, for example, are to add a single element to a sequence. In summary, we have 2 data sources or more, which we want to merge. A data source could be a single element, or it could be a sequence. To merge the data sources together we use a concatenation method. As a result, we get a new sequence that contains the data from all sources. This is what do concatenation methods mean.